So to take the integral or evaluate the integral, we have to do integration by parts. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the limit as a goes to negative infinity from a to infinity. So we're going to do integration by parts. Remember your plus minus. And we're taking the antiderivative of e to the x. So the antiderivative is e to the 3x divided by the derivative of u, which is 1 over 3. So my integral, or when I evaluate it, I end up with this. So if I substitute the 0, substitute the a, I end up with, okay, so here's where it starts getting a little bit confusing. We have a goes to negative infinity, okay, so a is going to negative infinity. So as a goes to negative infinity, this term is also going to 0, because e to the negative number is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So is this value. This value is also getting really, really, really small, because e to the really small number is just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So both of these terms are going to 0 because a goes to negative infinity. If a went to positive infinity, then no, this would be going to infinity, and so would this. So my number is negative 1 over 9. If we look at the graph of x to the e to the 3x, this is what the graph looks like. So notice that we're taking the negative infinity to 0. So that's why it's negative, because it's underneath the x-axis.